world. Welcome to Daily Spark. Today, I have an incredible fact about one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom, the coconut crab. Coconut crabs can grow to impressive sizes, with leg spans reaching over a meter, and they've developed unique adaptations that allow them to thrive on land, unlike most of their crab relatives. Their immense strength has intrigued scientists, who study these crabs to better understand the biology behind their powerful claws and unique lifestyle. Let's take a moment to appreciate the wonders of nature and the remarkable abilities of the creatures around us. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, stay inspired, and enjoy your day.